Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jane. So today I'm going to share with you a tutorial on how to recover your ironing board. So hi, welcome back. So if you recall, a few weeks ago I recovered my ironing board that was really looking tired and sad. So I gave it a lovely makeover using some of my fabrics, and a few of you asked me if I would share with you how I did it. So I thought I'd get the camera out again and film me making another one, which is this one here, and I thought I'd take you along with me and show you how easy it is. Seriously, really easy to recover your ironing board using pretty fabrics that you've got in your stash. So I'm going to choose some of my pretty fabrics, and I think I'm going to go for that gorgeous duck egg blue one. So I just need to get some fabric down. And you're also going to need a marking pen, safety pins, scissors or a rotary cutter, some pins. I'm using some thin elastic. I've got some pretty bias tape, and obviously I'm using one of my pretty fabrics. This is a soft furnishing cotton fabric, so a nice heavyweight fabric. So I've just put my ironing board on top of my fabric and I've just cut it out roughly, and then I'm just going to get my erasable pen and I'm going to mark about 7 centimeters beyond the edge of my ironing board just with my pen, and then with my pen join up the dots that I've made, and this will then give you your template to cut out. And then you simply just cut around the line that you've drawn. Then with your right side facing of your fabric and the widest part of your ironing board cover, take your bias trim and we're going to pin it to the edge of the ironing board cover. I'm just going to fold over about 1 inch and pin that down, and then just pin all the way along with right sides together. So right side of the tape onto the right side of the fabric. Then you just need to trim off the excess and then again fold over about 1 inch, wrong side facing of the tape, and pin it down. Next we're just going to go to the sewing machine and stitch along the edge. I like to stitch in the crease of the fold of the tape as a guide. So now we're just going to turn the tape over onto the wrong side and pin all the way around. And now we're just going to stitch along the edge to form a casing. And now we're simply going to thread some elastic onto our safety pin and thread it all the way through that casing that we've just created. And you should have something looking like a ginormous shower cap. So it's just simply a case of putting your new ironing board cover on your ironing board, and obviously don't cut your elastic yet until you know you've got the tension right. Then you just simply cut the elastic if you're happy with that and tie it into a knot and thread it back through that channel. I like to keep that channel open just in case I need to rethread elastic further down the line. And that's it. You've got a pretty ironing board cover. So that was today's video. I hope you enjoyed the little tutorial on how to recover your ironing board. If you like that fabric that I've used, by the way, I can get them all over in my Instagram account, Loopy Mabel Fabric. I'll put the link for that in the box below if you fancy getting some fabric like mine. And yeah, it's super simple and I love mine, and I think I've got about 5 or 6 layers on my ironing board now, so every time the ironing board cover gets a little bit sad and dated, I just put another one on top, and the thicker it gets, obviously, the better it is to iron on. And it's super pretty for my sewing room, which is a bonus, isn't it? If you've just found me and you're not a subscriber, I would love it if you hit the subscribe button, and then you can follow along with all my sewing, my projects, my style inspirations, and sometimes little tutorials too. But until next time, thanks for joining me today and happy sewing.